In a quiet village, young Amina noticed a strange golden glow from the old Mughal ruin. Her brave heart whispered, "Go see the secret hidden inside." Hidden under the stones, a legendary Mughal treasure appeared.
The Mughal treasure chest.
But the treasure carried a powerful curse. A dark spirit awakened from the ancient gold. Amina remembered her grandmother's words, "Courage breaks dark magic."
Begone,
The light of
shadow.
courage began breaking the
Light
curse.
prevails.
The dark spirit faded into harmless light. Some treasures are meant to be protected, not taken. And the brave village girl became the guardian of the Mughal treasure.